So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy Walmart stock here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, this bottom bar here, select the second option or the magnifying glass, then go to the top search bar and either type in WMT for Walmart, or you can go ahead and just type in Walmart, whatever works for you. At the top here, Walmart Incorporated. On the NASDAQ, you see the little Walmart logo, select that. Once you're here, go to the bottom left and select the account that you want to buy it in. So in my case, I will go my non-registered account, and then I'll press trade, and then I'll press buy. Once you're here, you can change the type of order by going to the top right, and there's market, limit, etc. I would just use market, which is the simplest in this example. Now, once you're here, if you go ahead and select, let's say you wanted to buy $3 worth, it'll show you how much that is and how many shares it'll buy you. And then if this looks good, press review. Once you're here, you can review the transaction. Once again, this is traded in US dollars, so it'll show you the conversion fee and how much you'd be paying in Canadian dollars in my case. And if this looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press key order or press buy to proceed that way with the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy Walmart stock here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.